Hi students, first exercise. Before up to 7 problems completed. Now 8th question. In the adjacent figure, a line N falls on the lines L and M such that the sum of interior angles 1 and 2 less than 180. Then what can you say about lines L and M? See this diagram. Here L and M two lines, N is transversal line, and here 1 and 2 angles observe right side of N. These two 1 and 2 angles intersects on the right side of N. Answer. The L and M lines, these two not parallel lines, just lines, that two L and M two lines. If produced infinitely, will evenly intersect on the right side of N. Right side of N. 9th question. In the adjacent figure, if angle 1 equal to angle 3, here observe angle 1 equal to angle 3 and angle 2 equal to angle 4, angle 2 equal to angle 4 and angle 3 equal to angle 4, means these two angles also equal, angle 3 equal to angle 4, and write the relation between angle 1 and angle 2. Here observe 1, 2, here before angle 3 equal to angle 4, means angle 1 equal to angle 2. These two angles also equal. So given, what they given, angle 1 equal to angle 3 and angle 2 equal to angle 4 and angle 3 equal to angle 4. Given angles, angle 1 equal to angle 3, angle 2 equal to angle 4, here angle 2 equal to angle 4, angle 3 equal to angle 4. What about remaining angle 1 and angle 2? This relation, angle 1 equal to angle 2. So by Euclid's axiom, things which are equal to same things are equal, means which angles are equal, same angles, means angle 1 equal to angle 2. Therefore angle 1 equal to angle 2 means which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. This is Euclid's axiom. 10th question. In the adjacent figure, we have bx equal to 1 by 2 ab and by equal to 1 by 2 bc, and show that bx equal to by. Bx equal to by can want to prove. Given diagram ABC is a triangle. Here x, y 2 points. Now what they given? Given that first bx equal to 1 by 2 ab. Bx equal to 1 by 2 ab and by equal to 1 by 2 bc. 1 by 2 bc. Here ab equal to bc. ab equal to bc. These two are equal. Why? Because ab and bc are same things. Here AB and BC are same things by Euclid axiom. By Euclid's axiom. And things which are halves of the same things are equal to another. Equal to one another. Means therefore half AB equal to half BC. Half AB equal to half BC. Half AB means bx. Half bc means by. Now bx equal to by. Here things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. That is Euclid axiom. Means things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. This is Euclid's axiom. One another. So by these axiom, these two are equal. Bx equal to by. Here hence proved. Now exercise 1 completed. Some important topics means objective type questions. Blanks. The word geometry is derived from the dash word. Geometry is derived from the Greek word. Answer Greek word. Next, second one. The elements of geometry was written by. Who written elements of geometry? Euclid. Answer Euclid. Next, a cube is dash dimensional figure. Cube having 3-dimensional figure. Next, a surface is that which has. A surface is that which has. Surface having length, breadth. Surface having length and breadth. Next, which sutras list the rules and geometrical principles involved in the construction of ritual fire altars? Means what is that? Sulba. Answer Sulba. Self-evident statements are called. Self-evident statements are called axioms. Self-evident statements are called axioms. Next one. To describe a circle, we must have. Means any center and radius. Any center and radius. Next one. The sum of angles of any triangle is equal to. So sum of any angles of a triangle is 180 degrees or 2 right angles. 2 right angles or 1 straight angle also correct. Next one. Statements which are neither proved nor disproved are called. Statements which are neither proved or disproved are called conjectures. Conjectures. Next, if A, B, C are 3 points on a line and B lies between A and C, then AC minus BC equal to AB. Next, to construct an equilateral triangle, we as dash postulate. So how many? Which postulate? Euclid's third postulate. Euclid's third postulate. Next, Euclid divided the elements of geometry into dash books. How many books? 13 books. Euclid's divide element of geometry. Elements of geometry. Euclid's divided the elements of geometry in 13 books. Next, boundaries of solids are called. Boundaries of solids are called surfaces. Surfaces. Next, lines end with points. Next, all right angles are equal. All right angles are equal. Next, number of lines drawn through a point means one point passing through how many lines? Infinite. Infinity. Number of lines drawn through a point means one point. Infinite. Next, number of lines connecting 2 points. From 2 points, how many lines we can draw? Only one. Answer, only one. Next, circles with the same dash are equal. So, what equal with the same? Radii. Next, a dash is breadthless length. Which one having breadthless length? Line. A line is breadthless length.